Hello, I'm Estella, and this is active transport versus passive transport. First up is passive transport, where particles go from areas of most to least concentration across a cell membrane until both sides are equal. This does not use any cellular energy. Diffusion is basically passive transport. Facilitated diffusion is when molecules that cannot directly diffuse across the membrane do so by using special protein channels. This also does not require energy since it is a type of diffusion. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Since water cannot easily pass through the membrane, protein channels called aquaporins assist in the movement of the molecules. There are three types of solutions: hypertonic, hypotonic, and isotonic. The solution we have here is hypertonic, where there is a higher concentration of particles outside the cell than there is inside the cell. This causes the cell to shrink. This next solution is a hypotonic solution, where the inside of the cell has a higher concentration of particles than the outside. Because of this, the cell swells up. The final solution is isotonic, where the concentration of particles is even inside and outside of the cell, essentially equilibrium. The cell is at its usual size. The growing and shrinking of the cell is due to osmotic pressure, where the movement of water into and out of the cell causes the cell to change size. And finally, we get to active transport. This is the movement of materials against a concentration difference, which requires energy. Protein pumps are used to transport these materials across the membrane using energy from ATP.